Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is your AI acronym individual again. And our avid for today is from Psalm chapter 138 verse 139 verse 8. Okay? So, ang ating pong pagkaing pangkaluluwa. So, sabi dito, if I go up to the heaven, you are there. If I make my bed in depths, you are there. So, God is there, our reflection. And this is from Jasmine Go. Okay? May awit yung Yahweh, I know you are near, standing always at my side. You guide me from the foe. Something like that. So this is from Jasmine Go. When my grandmother was gently informed that my grandpa would likely pass away in the next few days, we were concerned that she'd be upset and anxious. Are you worried? Someone asked her, thinking that she might have questions about her husband's physical condition or need help for her own needs. She thought for a moment. No, she calmly answered. I know where he's going. God is there with him. Her expression of God's presence with her husband echoes a similar one in Psalm 139, made by the psalmist David. If I go up into the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in depths, you are there. Although the certainty of God's presence described in Psalm 139 carries a subtle warning that we cannot escape His Spirit no matter where we go. It also brings great comfort to those who love Him and desire the assurance of His presence. Where can I go from your Spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? As God's redeemed people, we can be consoled that no matter where we are, He's there guiding us and holding us in His hands. When we go through tough, worrisome situations and don't feel that God is with us, we can be assured that He's present with all those whom He loves and who love Him. May this knowledge of His certain presence bring you the comfort and hope you need today. What worries you most today? How does knowing the certainty of God's presence help you? Dear God, when I'm worried, please help me to know that my life is in your hands. No, this is the promise of the Lord that He will always do His promise, that He will never leave us nor forsake us. If we go to the darkest part of our life, He's there. If we go to the highest peak of our life, He's there. Sometimes tayo po ang nakakalimot pag tayo languna sa mga kasiyahan, sa mga tagumpay, nakakalimutan natin siya. But this is an assurance that God will never, ever leave us kahit sa pinaka mababang punto ng ating buhay. To God be the glory, magandang buhay, mabuting tao.